2020, and it has turned me into a multimillionaire. But that's not why we are here, so let's just go down to business. As I mentioned already, I am Daniel Samson, currently 20 years old at the time of making this video. And I'm also an undergraduate at the University of Uyu. But before going into ghostwriting, I lived a life before, and life was tough, tough. I can still remember when I got admission in 2019. I almost dropped out because of lack of school fees. But here we are today. I earn at least 500k monthly and now even pay school fees for others. So that soap I'm using is what I want to cut for you now. The soap is called Ghostwriting, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it works and how you too can get started and earn huge amounts of dollars monthly with this same ghostwriting. So before I start, who is ghostwriting for? Who can do this? Is it only for a specific set of people? So ghostwriting is for everyone. Like anyone from anywhere is eligible to do this. It is for students who are tired of calling home and asking for help. It is also for students who need a source of income while at school. It is for coppers who can barely survive with the 30k allowance. That is not always even enough. It is for full-time moms, stay-at-home moms who cannot go out to work because of childbirth. This is the perfect opportunity for you to earn a lot of money, even more than a government worker while at home. And I can tell you this is very amazing. It is also for that. I doubt there are a lot of jobs out there that pay more than I earn from ghostwriting, and I'm not making out. This is also for writers. If you are a writer already and you are looking for a way to earn from your skill, this will rescue you from your predicament. It is also for people who have never written anything in their life. You are a non-writer. It is also for you. So in summary, ghostwriting is for anybody at all who wants an extra hustle that can provide at least $500 monthly, which is over 300k when you convert to Naira, and that's a huge amount of money. So now, what does a ghostwriter do and how do they make money? How does a ghostwriter make money? What do they do? Ghostwriting is a broad term. It literally means writing and getting paid for it. That's the dictionary definition. But the one I'm going to introduce you to today is not any kind of writing. This one is an opportunity where you write for some big foreign companies and they pay you hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly. Note, I don't mean any Upwork or Fiverr stuff where you can be looking for jobs from individual. We are not looking for jobs. In this case, I mean big companies, foreign companies that their sole mission is to find writers to write for them and pay them. So you stay in the comfort of your home, write something and upload to their site, and at the end of the month you'll be paid in dollars. It's as simple as that. I repeat, these are not your regular small companies. These are big foreign sites that have enough money to pay any writer as long as that writer has signed a contract with them. So one of these sites is owned by ByteDance, and if you can go to Google now and check, ByteDance is the parent company of TikTok. So you can see how big they are now. So all my students and I do is to apply to this site and get a contract. It is very, very easy. They are literally begging people to come and write for them. Let me show you what I mean. This is a contract I got from one of these sites. So you can see ByteDance sent you a document to review and sign. Daniel Okon Samson, please docu-sign. So you can see it here. And this is the name of the story, A Battle with the Alpha King by Daniel Samson. ByteDance, A Battle with the Alpha King. Look how much I made from that story. This is how much I made from the story. So you can see how much I made from it. $2,176 from A Battle with the Alpha King. So you can understand what I mean here, that when you come to them in the right way, which I'm going to show you, they will offer you a contract, and then it's just like getting a job. But the only difference is that this one pays higher than your average government job, and you stay at the comfort of your home or anywhere you are with your phone and upload daily. You are just done. That's the only thing you are required to do. Just write for their audience and then they will pay you. And this thing is not even a complicated system of writing. It's just something small. So I'll show you what I mean. And a single contract you get from any of these sites gives you nothing less than 500,000 naira. You do not sell. You don't have to refill products. All you do is stay at the comfort of your home, write daily, and get paid hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly. So you'll be asking me at this point, how do I know what to write? What if I cannot write? Where do we find these people, and how are we sure they're going to accept us? So that's why I'll be introducing this ghostwriting income generator for you. Ghostwriting income generator. You see, I've ghostwritten for over 2 years. So I decided to compile all the tips and tricks you need to know in order to succeed into one single digital course. This digital course is where I emptied my knowledge into. It is what will take you from a complete newbie to a pro in this ghostwriting game. And make sure you join me to earn hundreds of thousands every month. How do you know what to write for this site, and what steps will you follow to make sure they accept you? This is where this ghostwriting income generator comes in. The course will teach you how to write what this site wants. We'll show you how to apply, and we'll also show you how to get a contract. Because there is no way you will implement what is inside this course and not get a contract. So imagine working for the same company that owns TikTok. So see what my students have to say about this ghostwriting income generator. This is a screenshot from WhatsApp. I cannot open WhatsApp in this video so that YouTube will not delete the video. So you can see this screenshot. I'm really happy I got your course. The course is very well detailed. This is very great. See another one from Gloria. Daniel, this your course is a bump. It's really neat. I'm enjoying the whole learning process. Thank you for this big one. This is another one from Olushefas. I almost laughed. How, where, and who introduced you to all this kind of knowledge? I have just concluded the course this afternoon. In fact, you have done well. Though I finished in University of Ibadan as a mathematician, I don't know I can still understand writing and everything taught in the course this way. So that's it. There are a lot of reviews. I just choose these 3 to show you what I meant when I said this ghostwriting income generator course will show you how to go about this whole process. So what if you cannot write? That begs the question. You see, I want this ghostwriting income generator to be for everyone. So I've also included a way for those who cannot do the writing by themselves to also earn. I mean, if you are too busy to write and also too busy to learn, but you still want that extra income, the ghostwriting income generator will show you how to get other people to do the writing for you while you just sit down and earn. Many of my students are earning 6 figures doing this. Just take a look at this one. This is Fearless Dan on Twitter. This is his Twitter username. You can copy it and go and search for this post. These are some benefits you get from getting a contract through ghostwriting income generator. But that's not the best part. The best part is that you don't have to be a writer. I can't write a novel to save my life. There are a lot of people out there who can work for you. All you need to do is to get the contract and get someone to write the story and make lots of money doing nothing. Thanks for this opportunity at Dansam1. This is my Twitter username. So the ghostwriting income generator will teach you a high-end digital skill known as ghostwriting. You know, now digital skills are the rave. So you get a high-end digital skill known as ghostwriting, access to 9 or more places where you can earn hundreds to thousands of dollars monthly. This is very amazing, I assure you. And that's not all. The GID also will teach you how to write articles for Oprah News. Oprah News is a news site that pays people monthly to write for them. So I have made over 500k writing articles for Oprah News. And this ghostwriting income generator will show you how to do just that. In fact, here's a screenshot of when I earned my first 100k on Oprah News. See the way I celebrated. So I've been there, I've done that, and I've also included it in this ghostwriting income generator course, and it will teach you how to do exactly just that. So in addition to the ghostwriting income generator, you'll be getting the following for free as bonus: free lifetime access to my mentorship. People pay me 50k to mentor them, but you'll be getting it for free. A free Upwork guide for those that are on Upwork. I'll also add an Upwork guide for you, and it will guide you through your journey on Upwork. A family support group chat where we will hold your hand step by step through the process. So this is our support group. We have 340 members. So you can see 340 people cannot be wrong. And most of them here are millionaires. So what if you don't make money? You may be asking. It all depends on you, because if you are willing to take all the instructions and implement as you are told, if you do so, I personally assure you that you will secure a contract. And one contract gives you hundreds to thousands of dollars. So take a look at some of my students. This is a video on Twitter. Last year was all about signing contracts and bagging up to $1,000 from just stories. 1K is over 500,000 naira. Thanks to the GIG course by Adan Sam 1. This year we start big. This is another person. This is Gloria celebrating payments with me. My payment for my first milestone don't land. This is 111,000. So you can go through the screenshots one by one. This one just celebrated an exclusive contract with me. This is Ela Chimeze. She's just 17 years old, but she's a millionaire. So you can see her balance, celebrating small success, $54, and she's calling it small. That's over 30,000 naira. This is Ayo Tomiwa. Boss, I just got paid. If you can check the screenshots very well, that's $60. All these messages are on WhatsApp, but I cannot open WhatsApp on this YouTube video. I don't know why YouTube likes taking it down. So my students have a lot to say about me. Let me just show you some screenshots of reviews. This is a video about C. Francis. I introduced her to ghostwriting, and you can see the beautiful review she wrote. This is Ela Chimeze, the 17-year-old girl I was telling you about. She was making 15,000 naira per month as a sales girl before she started ghostwriting. Now she makes $1,500 per month, and this is not a fluke. It's real. These are real people. You can check them out. Check their Twitter handles. Check their Facebook usernames. You will see it. This is Vitakpan. You can see. Anyone who wants effective guidance on how to go about writing well and making huge cash should have him as their first choice. So, do you need a laptop to start ghostwriting? No. With just your smartphone, a good smartphone, you can make it. How do you get started? You need 3 things to get started: a smartphone, a spirit of commitment and implementation, and finally 30,000 naira to get the Ghostwriting Income Generator course, access to my mentorship, and other bonuses. So to register, you get back to me on WhatsApp. If I'm the person that gave you the link to this video, you get back to me and I'll give you the link for payment or an account to pay into. If another person gave you the link to this video, get back to the person and collect the link for payment. So congratulations for taking the bold step, and I hope to see you at the top.